Good morning, everyone! So welcome to our livelihood and business workshop on DIY dishwashing liquid kit. We are very grateful for your presence today as we learn a practical skill that can help generate income and support our household. To start our program, may I request everyone to please stand up for our opening prayer. Let's of the Lord. Heavenly Father, we thank you for gathering us today for this livelihood and business startup workshop. Bless our speakers, facilitators, and every participant present today.
Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Ayan, so good morning everyone! May energy lang para kagabi na. On behalf of our organizing team, I would like to warmly welcome all of you to our DIY dishwashing liquid kit workshop. We are truly grateful that you took the time to join us today and be part of this learning experience. This workshop was organized to help participants learn a practical and useful skill making your own dishwashing liquid. Today, you will learn the basic ingredients, proper mixing process, and helpful tips in creating an effective dishwashing liquid that is both economical and easy to produce. We would also like to express our appreciation to our trainer and facilitator, Sir Michael Giancarano. Ayan, palakpakan natin Sir Michael Giancarano. Ayan, who will guide us step by step throughout the workshop and share valuable knowledge and experience. To all participants, we encourage you to ask questions, take notes, and actively participate during the demonstration and hands-on activities so you can confidently make your own dishwashing liquid even after the workshop. Now let us proceed to the introduction of our team who will guide us in learning how to make our own dishwashing liquid and how it can become a small business opportunity. And I would like you to introduce, of course, myself. I am the event organizer. My name is Evelyn Pilar, and I would like you to meet our absent para siya ngayon. Ayan, si Miss April J. Paharo. So I'm going to take her role for today. And I would like you to meet our registration team, Ryan Gutierrez. Ayan, palakpakan naman natin si Mr. Ryan Gutierrez. And of course, our logistics team, Sean Randel Tapel. Ayan, palakpakan natin si Sir Randel. And of course, Jumel. Ayan, our documentation team, Sir Jumel Cruz. Ayan, thank you very much. And we will now begin the lecture and demonstration on how to make DIY dishwashing liquid kit. May I now call on Sir Jumel Cruz for the introduction to DIY dishwashing liquid kit making.
So, good morning po. So, introduction to DIY dishwashing liquid kit making. So, dishwashing liquid is a household cleaning product used to remove grease, food residue, and dirt from dishes and kitchen utensils. So, ano naman natin alam yung ano, diba? Dishwashing liquid. So, yung mga iba na ugas sa inyong bigat, ayun, sila namin sa inyo sa mga making your own dishwashing liquid is very efficient. So, yung mga ingredients, ito silang lahat. So, yung una is surfactant. Example nito is sodium chloride sulfate or SL. So, meron din kami dito yung premix. Ito yung itsura niya. So, hindi na natin kailangan gumamit nito. Kung baga kailangan naman natin sa water. Just mix it with water. There's for 3 to 6 hours and ready for bottling. So, bago tayo mag-proceed sa safety precautions, may papanurin na tayo dito kung paano gawin yung dishwashing liquid.
Bakit yung triple straight na material for creativity. Bali, yung isang creativity is 44 pesos. Tapos dalawang 2.5 na bote for 15 pesos each.
Proceed with the tips for small business success. May we go on, Sir Brian Gutierrez.
Tips for small business success. First, use attractive offers. For everyone who wants to learn dishwashing making it was a business, there are several important tips to follow. First, use attractive offers. A good looking consumers makes a product more appealing to customers and help it stand out from other products.
So let's now proceed to our actual demonstration. Our procedure is dishwashing liquid making. So pumili na kayo ng special guest video. Sir, ano pangalan mo? Okay. Second. Ano yung mga buwi? Once again, thank you everyone for joining our livelihood and business workshop on DIY dishwashing liquid kit. We hope the skills you learned today will help you start your own small livelihood. As we end our workshop, we will now give you the token of appreciation. Have a wonderful day. Ayan, Rosario Aralito.